Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Fernando here from Star Motorsports. Today I want to talk about exhaust systems, and JDY Performance has offered an exhaust system for the Audi Ttrs 8S, and we're going to install it in this particular model here. We want to take you through the steps as how does it sound, how does it fit, what is it made of, and a step-by-step installation. So keep watching. So here's the exhaust from JDY Performance. It is of stainless steel construction. It will connect to your factory mid pipes, or if you have an aftermarket set of mid pipes like Unitronic or 034, it will connect to those. As well as if you have a turbo kit from JDY already installed, it will connect to those, so you don't have to modify anything. Now, from the 2.5, we'll go into a 3.5, and this is where it becomes important, because if you have a big turbo or turbo kit like a full frame, maybe like a 6466 or a 6670 or something along those lines, you're going to want, if you want to have an exhaust, you're going to want something with large diameter so the back pressure is minimal. So here we go, 3.5 inch, and then we still have the option of having the exhaust flaps. So the OEM exhaust flaps will still work, and it comes with its own set of tips that look oval like the RS model should look like, and that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and install it and show you guys a step-by-step. Okay, so we're finished here with the install. Like I said before, we have the RS style tips just like factory. They do adjust, so you can adjust them side to side, or if you want to bring it out or bring it in a little bit, it does adjust. We have the exhaust valves connected. You won't have the need to install a jumper harness or an extension because it fits right like stock. There's a couple of brake points here and here. And they come with a clamp supplied by JDY. And then here is the connection for the stock exhaust. You will still use your factory clamps, and it will mate with either an aftermarket mid pipe or the stock mid pipe. In this case, we have a JDY turbo kit, and it fits just like factory. All right, guys, so that's it for today. We're done testing. Best time today was an 8.9 at 156, 142 60 foot. So we're pretty happy about that, running on the 18-inch Hoosier DR2s. But all in all, the day started out as low 9, and then we progressively kept working on the vehicle's 60 foot, and then some of the boost and tuning, and it kept progressing as the day went by. So overall, we're happy. The customer wanted an 8-second car. We're delivering an 8-second car, and that'll be it for today. So if you like our videos or you want to keep up to date with what we do, be sure to follow our channel, and see you next time. Got it.